up, guys? Ethan here, and today we just got this today, and it is from the country Israel. Come on, people, Israel! It's the Holy Land! And if you're wondering who this is my baby brother. Say, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
And today, from Israel, we have unknown snacks in here that we have to try. Okay, guys, this is the first snack on our... Right now, this is our first snack of the day of our Israel Food Challenge, which is called the Kremli Nougat Bites. So, I'm going to read a little bit about this wonderful snack, or horrible snack. We don't know yet. You may not believe, but you're holding in your hands a modern scientific discovery. Yes, this snack has saved lives. For years, scientists noticed an interesting trend in Israel. There was over 90% of Israel families buy them as a snack for their households. They're more popular than potato chips. Children eat puffs as one of their first foods, developing a tolerance for peanuts as they grow up. This early exposure to peanuts has now been proven to reduce the risk of developing a peanut allergy by 81%. So, right now, me and my brother Micah are going to try this snack and write our ratings on this board. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try this snack. That smell, though. Tastes like peanut butter jelly sandwich. Comment down below if you like peanut butter jelly, because this is a peanut butter jelly, but way smaller. Micah, you want to try it? It's awesome. It smells bad, but it's amazing.
I know, but it's...
You don't want it? Okay. So, I'm going to rate this snack 1 to 10. I'm going to rate it about an 8. That snack is pretty amazing. So, as you can see, I rated it an 8. And I'm going to do a dance about my snack. I'm going to do this. Boom.
I don't want to do that. I want to do this.
Micah, do your happy dance. Okay, guys, so, oh my gosh. It's raining so hard outside. I hope we don't have a power outage while we're doing this banger. Okay, guys, let's get back to the snack. So, this is called the falafel sashi, which is our second snack of the day. So, I'm going to read a little description about fun facts about this snack. But where it was first made was up for debate. Israelis believe the Jewish have eaten it for centuries because it's kosher. Hey, I've seen some kosher pickles in my mom's fridge. That's interesting. Egyptians claim it was first made by Christians in their country who ate it during Start over. During Lent. Even back to the falafel shop, as the country has historically specialized in fried foods. Regardless of where it came from, falafel is a staple in Israel, and it's there to stay. It's the country's most popular street food option. as well as a common flavor in its snacks. Oh my gosh, guys, it's lightning outside. We might get a power outage. I'm so sorry if we do. Okay, guys, back to the falafel shashi. So those are some pretty interesting facts. Now, for the best part, I'm gonna try the food. After those interesting facts, these yellow things, zoom up on this. These yellow things right there, that's a falafel shashi. Now I'm gonna check this out, see how it tastes. Okay. I'm just gonna write my rating, show it to y'all. For the falafel shashi, this is my rating. Ding, 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 ding. That falafel shashi was amazing. It tasted like a chili cheese dog. And if you don't know me, I love chili cheese dogs. Now, I'm gonna do, like I did last time, I'm gonna do a dance about my snack. Boom, boom, Let's move on to the next snack. So for the third snack, this snack is called the macaroon coconut roll. Hey, the rain really slacked down out there. We might not have a power outage. So this is called the macaroon coconut roll. And I'm going to read, once you know, a little description about it. And after I read this description, I'm going to tell you the ingredients to make this horrible, delicious, or medium snack. Oh, and guys, coconut. I'm not a really big fan. I'm not a really big fan of coconut. Don't mind that. I don't know what that was. I'm not a really big fan of coconut, so this might be a little rough. No, what am I kidding? It's gonna be a lot rough. So I'm gonna read the description about it. You've heard of Nazareth. Well, now meet the coconut rolls of Nazareth. These traditional Israel rolls are made in the same city that Jesus is believed to have lived, where his city has changed quite a bit since Jesus' time. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try the snack. Look at that. Ugh. Smells like coconut oil. Okay. That's interesting. Drink. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Well, let me rate that. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. My rating is a 3. So we all know what dance I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, I'm so excited because this is the last snack in our Israel tasting challenge. So this is called the maroon handmade baklava. Oh, and my mom really likes baklava. And my grandma really likes baklava. So let's see if I like baklava. So let me read this little description about handmade baklava. Despite the many disputes Israel has with its neighbors, there is only one thing they can all agree on: baklava. While baklava is believed to have originated in Turkey, today nearly every country in the Middle East eats baklava. Eats baklava. All with their own unique fare. Those are some great facts about our baklava. Guys, can you get it? Oh, look at that. So let's try this amazing baklava. Oh, what is this? Puff balls baklava with pistachios, cashews, peanuts, and almonds. Oh man, almonds and peanuts. Not a fan of those. Trifling fans. Okay. Huh. Mm-hmm. Baklava. Okay, I'm gonna rate this baklava. This is a 2. Oh, yeah. I need that. So that was our last snack. So I guess we're gonna start wrapping it up. Okay, so guys, my journey through Israel and eating Israel snacks was really fun. So all in all, I really liked Israel. And guess what? That's where my best bud, BFF Jesus, came from. So, oh guys, I gotta start wrapping it up. My family's calling me. And thanks for watching. Okay guys, I gotta go. My parents are really calling me now. Okay, so pulverize that like button and pulverize that subscribe button. And I'm gonna throw in some facts, my favorite facts about Israel. And I hope you like watching. Peace out. Oh, yeah.